can we just kind of go back to this? I mean, you touched on it, Ross and Kelly, but just a little bit more about this standalone facility and just kind of what difference that has made for your operation. Because I know there's different schools of thought, and some sort of graduate at a certain point, and some are able to handle it within the stores. But I just want to explore that a little bit further, because I think that's pretty interesting for the folks here.
For us, it was being able to get the automation along with our employees to have a consistent job, a consistent folding. Like the Foltex folds everything consistent. Our ironer, does everything consistent. So like Kathy, we have different employees that are in charge of different stages of the laundry system. So for us, it was to alleviate from being within our stores, but it was also to have that good product for the customer so that we can grow, so that, you become a word of mouth wherever you are, so you just are able to grow.
Mm-hmm. How much of a role did storage play for you, Ross?
Oh, yeah.
I mean, because that's
for us.
Yeah, that's the bugaboo I hear all the time. Is just
Right.
I don't have anywhere to put this laundry.
Well, that was part of the problem at the stores. We were piling stuff everywhere. We have 20,000 square feet, and then we have a separate building behind that. So we're able to store, and we do actually store some of our clients' linens as well, where they might have a small room at their hotel. They just don't have the storage space. So it works well for us because they actually become dependent on us to where they're going to keep coming back if we provide that good product.
Okay. Storage, Ross, is that
I think
factor?
being in Los Angeles and our size of stores, I mean, when I started pickup and delivery, we were operating out of the laundry was 1,800 square feet, and I just happened to be lucky enough to take the little side after the fire that happened. So we had a little extra storage, but I mean, 1,800 square feet in a densely populated, that laundry's already pretty much operating at its full capacity by itself. So I think our store sizes and washer capacity is what pushed us to have to go private probably sooner than we'd really need to otherwise. And then again, the consistency, I mean, a lot more can get mixed up, or when you're working with your customers too. If you're lucky enough to at least have a little separate area within your laundromat that you have some machines and can process, then you can stay within your laundry a lot longer, I think. But yeah, I mean, customers, they think it's in this dryer and it's really in this dryer. And if you're processing a fluff and fold order, all of a sudden they're walking out the door with the fluff and fold order.
Yeah, even though it's labeled, they'll still do it.